Transform your car trunk into a clean, organized space. Say goodbye to clutter and chaos with the SEAMETAL Foldable Trunk Storage Box, 110L, the ultimate solution for smart drivers, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're heading out for a road trip, camping adventure, or daily errands, this extra-large, waterproof car organizer keeps everything perfectly in place. Why you'll love it: massive 110L capacity. Easily store groceries, tools, camping gear, fishing equipment, or travel essentials, all in one place. Waterproof and durable Oxford cloth. Protect your belongings from spills, rain, and dirt with premium waterproof material built to last. Foldable and space-saving design. Need more room? Simply fold it flat in seconds when not in use, convenience at its best. Reinforced structure for heavy loads. Strong side panels and sturdy handles allow you to carry heavy items without worry. Multi-compartment organization. Keep everything neat and easy to find with smart partition storage spaces. Perfect for road trips and family travel. Camping and outdoor adventures. Fishing trips. Grocery shopping. Car tools and emergency kits. Why choose SEAMETAL? Unlike cheap organizers that collapse or wear out quickly, this heavy-duty trunk box is built for long-term durability, flexibility, and maximum convenience, making every journey smoother and stress-free. Take control of your trunk today. Don't let a messy car slow you down. Upgrade your driving experience with the SEAMETAL 110L car organizer and enjoy a cleaner, smarter, and more efficient ride. Click the link in the description to order now and organize like a pro. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.